I'm here at Betty's Azalea Ranch and we're buying native plants to restore the buffer areas at Piney Branch Creek. One of the native plants we plan on buying is spicewood. It's a shrub, and right now for 3 gallons it costs $49.95 each 3 gallons. And it's also a native plant, so it'll make the area better. For our last 2 native plants, we will be buying spangle grass and little blue stem. Spangle grass comes out to a total cost of $60.99 per gallon, or
per plant,
and little blue stem costs $21.99 per plant. The second native plant we plan on buying is witch hazel. It's a small tree, and right now it costs $79.95 for 5-gallon one. Hi, I'm Lila.
I'm Elliot.
And my name is Zaina. And we're here representing KJMS for our project in the competition. Okay, subpar water quality of Piney Branch Creek. According to the Fairfax County, Virginia Pope's Head Creek Watershed Management Plan as of October 2005, Piney Branch Creek received a fair composite site condition rating, which means improvement are needed to reach the overall Pope's Head Creek watershed rating of good. Piney Branch Creek is part of the Chesapeake Bay watershed, which passes through 6 states and a total of 150 rivers and streams, and hundreds of small contributaries.
Our problem is the Piney Branch Creek's water quality is decreasing while runoff and erosion are increasing. So our solution is to solve the problem is to preserve, maintain, and restore buffer areas to protect stream health and water quality. We plan on planting a mix of native trees, shrubs, and small grasses. Doing this will increase the habitat area, protect stream bank areas from erosion, and filter pollutants from runoff.